never met no one who talk like that. And if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Roll my windows up, dollar rolling windows up. Biscuit ass niggas wanna.
Oh, I got a word right.
Okay, next layer is the stickers. They fell. So we need a crier for Paul to have a perfect score.
Yeah.
Let's see. We have a different color ball. It's kind of neat. We've got 3 different colors.
Yeah.
Here is our bottle. And next layer, next layer. Where is it? She's cute too.
She's cute. Open if you dare.
Yeah. All right. Let's see our shoes. Ooh, these are cute.
Oh, they are cute.
Very nice little shoes.
Little minty shoes.
Yep, you can take the checklist back if you need. I took it on my side. Trapdoor.
Trapdoor.
Clothing. Oh, these blind bags are tough. I only have pants. Oh no, wait, there's something else.
Oh, there you go.
Okay, so we have little black shorts and a little number 2 shirt. Here's our stand. Here's our accessory. Ooh. Is this a belt?
Cool. That is a headband.
A headband.
Yep.
Cool, and let's see our doll. Oh, look at her.
Yep, we got Kix. She's from the athletic club. She's a soccer player.
Oh, nice. She has little freckles.
She sure does.
I like her. All right, slide the water over. Toot toot. Let's see if she color changes.
Nope.
No color changing. Okay, Paul.
Okay.
I hope she cries.
All right.
Maybe she cries because she lost the game and she's a bad sport.
Maybe. 1, 2, 3. 1. Oh, she does cry.
Whoop! Boom! Today we're going to be doing something a little different. This is the LOL Surprise Just Add Water 3-pack where you get the mermaid one, a unicorn one, and the fairy one. I'm going to start with the fairy because that's the one I'm most excited about. So without further ado, let's do this. If I'm remembering correctly, I believe in this one we are making our mystery doll's wings. Pop! Here are all of the different ones that you can get, and they are so cute. I'm really excited about this. Let's start by seeing which doll we got. Oh, we got the, this one. Let's see what her outfit is. Oh, that is adorable. The rest of the stuff is for her wings, so I'm going to open all that up real quick. Okay, so it came with the mat to protect the table, which might I say is the best thing I've ever seen for something that involves water. Even though this shows a lot of steps, it really looks like all we have to do is break or cut off the tip of one of these, place them where we want them, and then add water and let it dry. Going to start with the pink one. It looks like it goes in this one. And then in this down here. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that. I think this one is as good as it's going to get. So now we're going to do this one. This one ended up a lot better. So let's do the yellow one. Also, these have holes in them. Guess how I found out? Wings have now been poured. Let's add water now. Just going to drop it in there and then wait for it to dry. That's really satisfying. Now with that done, we just wait 8 minutes and see what happens. It ended up being closer to 30 minutes because my neighbor decided to mow his lawn. But this is what they look like now. They feel a little gross, not gonna lie. I'm not entirely sure if maybe I just did them wrong, but they're like squishy still. Anywho, here's what it looks like all put together. I have to admit, even though the wings didn't turn out exactly the way I was expecting, it is really cute. Now, would I do another one of these? Maybe, if I could figure out like what I did wrong. Hopefully I will have better luck in the future when I do the unicorn and the mermaid. Bye guys!
Check out this amazing PR package from LOL Surprise Dolls. It says smash for a surprise and it's part of their new Mix and Make birthday cake launch. And check this out. This is a whole sphere of chocolate. So let's get smashing.
Today we're unboxing our names.
I'm doing Soph, Snaggles, Inside Out 2, P, Littlest Pet Shop, and H, Hatchimals.
And then I'm doing Odd. For A, we have Off Mouth. U, we have LO Surprise Unicorn. And D, we have Doorables.
I got my S.
I'm starting off with the A. I can't remember if we've got the Off Mouths in these little boxes or not.
And I think we got this in our very first video, but that's it. It's pink.
Oh, Subway!
Oh my gosh!
It's a little platypus!
That's so cute. Is it a hot dog? Oh.
We definitely have not got this before because like the other ones are like squishy and these are like hard. That's so cute though.
We have a Subway sticker. Oh, this is Whitney. Her hobby is plane watching. Interesting.
This is literally just called the hot dog cat.
X is O. Inside Out 2.
And X is LO Surprise Unicorns for you.
Guys, I have been trying to get discussed for a while now. And
I know. She's been on the grind.
I really hope that today is the day.
I already see it through the orange package. It's on Wii.
Now I have 3 of these.
I think this is the LOL Surprise doll that you like put in water, maybe. Whoa. Oh. Interesting.
Oh my gosh.
But there's already water in there. We have 2. Let's get her out. What? Huh? Guys, what
Wait,
is
that's
this?
not what I was
I
expecting.
was not expecting that at all. Oh, the unicorn part. Huh? Oh, the ears.
So we transform her into a unicorn.
Wait, what? That's supposed to go on here somewhere, but where? Okay, and you know what? There we go. Okay, so I guess you take this out. Okay, guys, we got it off. The sound. No! Huh?
I got in my bed.
Wow.
Oh, the sound is very interesting.
She's all finished.
Next is P for Littlest Pet Shops.
And D for Doorables. Whoa! It's like a film. Like it comes out.
That's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love Doorables.
Same. I freaking love Doorables. And we have so many different types. Oh, we got Elsa. I think we've already had Elsa though. But
Yeah,
she's
we
pretty
already
cute.
had that.
Like a little bug. What kind of bug is that?
I've never seen this.
At first, oh, we got Dory. We haven't got her before.
Oh my gosh.
Wait.
I need to be paying attention to you.
Oh, this is it?
It's a Maui?
Or is
Wait.
it Moana? I think that might be Moana.
Oh.
Wait, I don't know.
Actually,
That's
maybe
like-
it is Moana. I don't know.
I don't.
know what
Oh, this is Lady.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, there's Lady.
Alright guys, last thing is H, and it's Hatchimals. And this is our first Hatchimal, so...
I'm really excited. I used to love Hatchimals. Ooh.
Whoa, this is what it looks like.
We filled it with water. Wait, is it
Okay.
gonna hatch right away? Or like what?
It's hatching, guys! Oh my gosh. It's not hatching
Whoa.
in my-
It's legit like hatching. This is, guys, you all seen that?
This is crazy.
This is cool actually. I did not think it would do it like
I
this.
know.
And the water's so pink.
Oh wow. Guys, it literally started hatching in my hands for a second while Audrey was refilling the water. Can I just like grab it out? I don't know.
It's a lot tinier.
Wait,
than
yeah,
I
I thought it was
thought.
gonna be way bigger. That's so cute though. Aww. Booyah.
Whoa, that's so tiny.
I know. Okay guys, my favorite today was Dory.
I think my favorite was Lady. Although I also kind of like her little Subway little
For
platypus.
real, that's so cute.
Bye guys.
Let's open an LOL mini sweets. This is series 2 and it's been a hot minute since I did an LOL, so I am hoping for newness. Keep everything crossed. So first up, we're going to take all of the little bits out and then open the ball up, and this is the list if you've not seen it before. Let's see who we've got. Okay, I definitely don't have this one. Oh my gosh, look at the hair. How adorably cute is that? I love it. This one looks very minty, so I'm thinking yes, it is the Mentos one. Look at that little outfit. I love the little bomber jacket. It's so cute. Absolutely adorable. Okay, in the next little bag, oh, I can't open this one. We've got her drinks bottle. Also keeping up with the minty fresh theme, I think. Oh, can't open this one either. And then we've got, oh, this matching bag is adorable. So sweet. I love that one.
And then in this bag, what have we got hiding in here? These are very well wrapped today, aren't they? It's really annoying actually to not get them out as quick. These are her shoes, very cute. And then last but not least, we've got her accessory, which is some earmuffs, which looks super cozy. I love them. So this is her all together. She looks so lovely. I love her, and I love her little matching bag and her drinks bottle as well. So that is today's one. Her name is Minty. What do you think? And do you want to see another one? Let me know.
Have you guys seen these new LOL Surprise Doll collabs? They have Powerpuff Girls, Care Bears, and Minions. I'm gonna open up all three, starting with the Powerpuff Girls. I got the Bubbles one. I think Bubbles is the cutest Powerpuff Girl. I mean, look at her. She also came with her outfit and an octopus. And here she is all put together with her stand. Next, I'm gonna open up the Minions ball. These are all the ones that you can get. All the bags were stuffed inside the Minion's body. I ended up getting the Minion in a sweatsuit and this little girl. Here's her outfit and her little shoes. And here she is with her costume on and her boombox. Finally, I'm gonna open up this Care Bear one. These are all the options. I ended up getting this really cute little purple-haired girl. And here's the Care Bear head that she came with. It's Share Bear. And then here's her little outfit. And here's her little shoes. They're 2 different colors. I think the best part of this one is it comes with a tiny Care Bear. And here she is all put together with her little Care Bear. She's so cute. And here's all the ones that I got today. Let me know in the comments which new LOL collab is your favorite.
Let's open an LOL Surprise Remix Hair Flip. I am super excited to open this. It says it comes with 15 different surprises. Am I just supposed to... Oh, okay. There's so much stuff inside of here. First up is our little... Whoa. I did not expect her body to be not attached to her. Love the hair, looking flawless. Okay, we got this one. It says Sticks Queen, I believe. Now let's open all of our goodies. We have so many. We got a little glitter cup, very cute. Oh, here's her little outfit. Super cute. It's a little comb. I honestly have no idea what these are supposed to be. This is a stand for the LOL doll. I believe these are little drumsticks. Some sparkly shoes, very cute. Here's our drum set. All right, here she is all glammed out, and here is her little drum set.
Let's open a new type of LOL surprise. I don't think they're a new collection, but they're new to me because I don't have any. These are the Confetti Reveal Winter Chill ones, and there's 15 surprises in each, and they look so adorable, I can't tell you. I was like, I've got to get some, and I paid £13 on Amazon for this. So the first bit you pop open with that little button. There's some confetti in there, and this is the little outfit. I'm going to press that button and this one, and we've got 2 surprises in there. So we've got her little cup. How cute's that? And then all some accessories. Oh, she's got like winter Ugg boots. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And some sunglasses. Oh, I did not expect that. It nearly knocked my camera over. Let's take that out. Okay, so you know I love me a collector's list, so let's have a look. I'm so excited about these because they look so cute. Look how many there are to collect. I'm very excited. And I think this, based on the dress, is the one that we've got. I think I spoiled the surprise. This is what she looks like. Oh, and she's even better in real life. Look at her hair. I'm obsessed with her hair. She is beautiful. I love her. She's so cute. Okay, let's open some of the accessories that blew out when I opened it. So what have we got? Oh, I'm not doing very well today, dropping things everywhere. So we've got a perfume bottle and a tiny little handbag as well. And a mobile phone. Always need that when we're traveling. And then in here we've got her big bag. This is like a checked one, and that is so big. It's going to fit all her little bits in, which I love. And then in here, what is this one? This is the last one, I think. Oh, it's a cute little winter bobble hat. How sweet is that? It's got little ears. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. That's her fully dressed with her mittens and her shoes. How sweet. We could put her hat on. That's what she looks like with her hat, so she's ready to go. Oh, I love her. We're going to pack her little bag, perfume, little handbag, and then we'll put the phone in as well. And she also came with a cardboard little gift, so that'll be good for Christmas. And her drinks bottle, and here she is.
No one who talk like that, and if you hang up on a nigga, bitch, I call right back. Roll my windows up, dollar rolling windows up, biscuit ass.